we will go through bubble chart and scatter chart in Excel. This both charts are similar, which represent the data in form of bubble or in form of line with bubble marker. Okay. Now for bubble chart, we need data in form of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. In bubble chart, we have three axes. In scatter chart, we have two axes, which are x and y-axis. Here we can see the uniform data in a form of bubble, and in scatter chart we can see data in form of trend or sequence line. Okay, so to create bubble chart, select the data, go to recommended chart, under that all charts, and we will find option as XY scatter. To create the bubble chart, click under scatter. Okay, and go for this second last option or the last option, 3D bubble. So we are selecting second last one, bubble chart. Once we select the bubble chart, we can see bubble chart if you want this way or this way. So go with the first option and okay. Bubble chart has been created. Here we can see three axes. One is x-axis, another one is y-axis, and one more axis is there, which is z-axis. See, if we have data which are less than 0, okay, profit is like a minus 50%. So you can see that bubble here. If profit is like, if I increase the bubble size for this 20, okay, bubble size for this 20 to 300. So you can see the bubble size changes as per the value. If I increase somewhere here, so bubble size changes as per the value. So in this way we can create the bubble chart. Now let's create the scatter chart using similar data. You will go to insert, same, recommended chart, all charts and scattered. X and Y axis. This will be having X or Y axis. So we can select any option. If you want only the bubble, then you can go with the first, or bubble with line, then the second, and you can explore the remaining options too. Okay. So I'm going with the second one and okay. So bubble with the line. Same bubbles you can see here, but it is representing in the form of markup and line, and you can see the trend line of the data. If I make changes for this 500 to 30, trend line will change. Okay, in this way we can create a bubble chart and the scattered chart. Thank you for watching.